Hi guys, today we will be today we will be trolling and don't press the button for episode 2. I hope you enjoyed the last episode. Oh no, there's an exploiter, so we're gonna leave this. Okay, we're gonna go in a big server, so big servers are better to troll because there are more people. And we're gonna target one person, so that's way more funny. Watch out, okay. Oh, this is quick. Let's go. Let's hide the fact we have a sword, so people don't raise suspicion on me. Okay, I'm just gonna get this, then we're gonna start trolling. Let me get some coins. Oh yeah. Okay, I got 10 coins. Let me enter. So let's go. Oh, what am I doing? Okay, let's go in real quick. Okay, yeah, let me go in. Man, oh wait, no, I'm just about to make it to the end. That's gonna be such a good forward, okay? I'm gonna stand in here. Okay? Get out. See, that's crazy. Come on. Yeah! This is so fun. I love this game. This is so much fun. Yeah, a lot of people do get back, but that's only for I think it was better. I don't like it. Especially come on. Okay, so I think he's a good target, I guess. Can we go on this? Oh, sick. If you're playing hide and seek in this game and you have a magic carpet, you're unstoppable. Yeah, no one would do that. Oh, yeah. No, I look so, weird. Yeah, who's base trap? Motion tracking. Oh, crap. No, I don't like motion tracking anymore. What's up? Oh wait, this one's so good. So let's see which side has the most people. It's gonna be so much fun. Get out, haha, no, haha, get out. Okay, that's just fun. Blue for the win. Yellow for the win. Ah, of course, pink for the win. Okay, I'm not I got my magic carpet ready. Pink C's for the wingsies. Oh yeah. Wait, how many people in the server? Nah, I'm good now. New server time, bye. Okay, this server looks good. Okay, I'm the only one. Oh! We get to the end. No, race. Oh yeah, missed those. Vida coin. My coin. Oh my god. Okay, what am I saying? Okay, okie dokie. So yeah, I am Stephanie. Hey yo, Stephanie. Okie dokie do. Oh. Yeah, I think that I hope this becomes a meme. Triple T goes to God. Okay, never mind. That's already a meme. But how about the blinkers? Maybe. Davey! Fortnite Battle Royale. Are you ready? No. I don't know what to do actually. So yeah, I'm pretty bored. In the meantime. Oh. Hey yo. Yeah, doesn't this make you faster? What the fart? Yeah, excuse me, okay. Oh, bros, one shot. You're dying today. This is the end for you. You're going to heaven, buddy. See, I don't know if you did do good stuff to go to heaven. I don't know. Caution. don't get to get here. See, this is the most non-violent way to get a chair. Isn't that so kind of me? Right? A chair. This rainbow blows so why did I say that? Yo, you're trying to say my chair, huh? Actually, I changed my mind. No, because I wanna be rude to people. Oh no, I'm really taking my chair. Okay, a lot of people died. Just deserve to. Oh yeah. Oh, so cool. Come on, Carter. Bye. This over. You, congratulations, you survived. Come on. Yeah, no one survived. Cause no, everybody win, nobody. I only win, cause that's kind. Okay, guys. Okay, I think I annoyed a lot of people on this one. That's bad, really bad. Okay, so we're gonna first we're gonna start targeting this time. So people don't get annoyed. Get to the other side. Mercedes. Okay. So we're gonna find a person to target. Oh, okay. So let's get Agola. I think we should target Agola. Oh, money. Where's Agola at then? Where's Agola at then? Okay, wait. No, I don't know where he is. I don't like the rainbow. Okay. We're my friends. Boy, I'm gonna die.
Who's there?
Take that.
Who's there? Knock knock. Who's there?
Oh, Agola, I found Agola.
Who's there? Knock knock. Who's there?
I'm sorry, bro. I'm sorry. I
Door.
didn't mean that. I mean that I'm rainbow friend guy. I'm sorry.
Knock knock.
I'm gonna say
Who's
sorry, bro.
there?
I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Yo, that's not why I meant sorry. Agola. Oh yeah, fun fact. If you have a magic carpet, you can do this and you can do it free to play. Okay. So if you have a magic carpet and you wanna avoid these, just do this. Wait. You see where button presser? You can just stand here like that. So do that. So when the big snowball comes, it won't hit you. So and if you wanna get there and if you're free to play, you wanna get up there. This place on that travel, it's free to play. It's very easy to get, and you just gotta get there. Yeah, you just gotta it takes a few attempts, but you'll get up there. You'll figure it out eventually. Oh, that's cool. Let's walk away. In Roblox. Ah! Hey, where's my 5 coins? Oh no! Oh, this is my favorite map. Where's Agola? And then this time, let's have a little bit of fun. Oh, you're good. Where's Agola? Ah! You my friend's guy. But you're good. Stop that. That's your warning. Hey, he didn't follow the warning sign, but no. A lot of people eat that. Ooh, actually, I want me to eat it. Oh, see, I totally won with an athletical way. So I'm gonna be kind and actually people play the game today. I feel generous. Oh my goodness, these are the coins. But I want to get the coins because I'm super mean. Okay, I thought I said that was generous, but life changes, you know. What's up? You're removing good. Isaac D. Cola. What's the Isaac D. Cola? Who knows? But it used to be a door. I've seen the most random stuff known to mankind. Oh, that was nice. Famous last words. You see what I did? You see it? You get it? Yo, Agola. Where's Agola? Should I do no, 3 people. Okay, we're going now. Whoa, what is this? Don't press the button. Furious Jumper. So weird. Okay, I gotta find somebody. Wait. I wanna try to find somebody like a server that like a lot of people have like a magic carpet. Okay, this server looks like good. Cause yeah, people might have a storm. I'm so scared. Scardy. It's it's always too late. Okay, I'm gonna try to break it. Come on, break it. Winner's Gooping Kid. Let's make a wall. That's the way I see it. But you want to make a wall right here, so that's not rude. Because some people just deserve that. Like this lady. Oh. I guess that wasn't in her daily journal, I guess. Not the other game, so. Hey, yo, see, boom, please. Okay, we're gonna go here, Oh, yo, what the hell happened? I don't want to see myself, you Gigadoo. So sassy. Alright, guys, comment down below. I've never seen anyone comment on my videos, only onesies. Let's see what you guys say about my videos. I think that's enough trolling for the day. Easy.